Jayco is one of the oldest names in the RVing industry, known for its durability and livability. So let's get started. This is our new 2026 Jayco J-Feather 23RK, and we have a huge power awning with LED lighting and ample amount of storage space up front. If we follow me this way, we have a place for a TV outside, dual entrances, and this one has a solid safety steps with a grab bar for assist getting in. Follow me. The 23RK is all about the rear kitchen layout. If you look back here, we have a large amount of counter space. Plenty of storage drawers, and the deep stainless steel sink, which is separated. We also have a 3-burner range with an oven and a microwave up top. Here we have the pantry space and a large fridge. And here we have the theater style recliners. Both sides recline with this parachute handle. You have remote storage and 2 cup holders. Here we have the booth dinette, which also folds out into a bed. We have the TV over it and the controls for our radio. In the bathroom, we have a large walk-in shower, and I'm 4'11". I can't even touch the skylight. We also have this vanity with your sink and medicine cabinet. We also have ample storage below. We also have linen space on the side. And here's your toilet, where your knees will not hit anything. And in the hallway, we have your solar amp controller for all of your solar information. Moving into the bedroom, we have a private entry and a pocket door for privacy. We also have these drawers here for extra storage and hanging space. Of course, the bed lifts up, and we have storage here as well. The struts hold it up. And on each side, if you pull this, you have even more storage that nobody would even guess is there. There's plenty of storage under the bed and over the bed. The Jayco J-Feather is super easy to tow, but lives big. This is made for somebody who's a weekend warrior or a couple. And here we have the theater style recliners. Both sides recline with this parachute handle. You have remote storage and 2 cup holders.